Hi, this is Vamsi Krishna. In this video, I am going to explain my Unix 5th experiment in Unix and Linux lab. Here we have the question for 5th one. For first question, find the number of occurrence of a given word or character in a file using shell programming. Here I have created the program. Unix 5. Yeah, for finding the occurrence of word and character, for occurrence of word and occurrence of character. Here first we are giving the input and it will read the character. Here using the case function, that means character in. If you press 1 for if you press 1, it will search for word. If you press it will ask for file name and it will read the file name. If file name if dollar file name, then grep function, using grep function, it will read through this word and file name, and it will take word count as -1, and then else function. Otherwise, if file is not found, it will display the it will display the command like file not found, and it will close the if function here. And if we are searching for a character, it will we need to press 2 and it will read the word, and we need to enter the file name of that, and it will read the file name. If file name dollar if it will read the file name, then grep, using grep command, it will read the word and it will take the count as word count and -1. Else echo, it will display file not found, and it will the function will be closed here. Let's look into the output. Yeah, here we are searching for so enter 1 for word. I am searching for a word. Enter word to font name. We need to enter the file name text.txt. Here here we have the word, that means name is there in the text.file. And if you want to search for character, again 2 for occurrence of character, then n file name text.txt. we need to enter the file name. Yeah, here there are 4 number of characters in the text.file. This is for our first program, and second program is find and replace a word or character in a file using shell programming. Here this is a program for shell command, the replacing of a file. Yeah, for entering enter for word, that means which we need to enter, and 2 for character, it will read the character. And first, if here you are using switch case, that means case 1 and echo for word to replace, and it will read the word whichever word to replace. It will enter word, that means we need to enter again new word to replace with that old one, and we need to enter the file, and it will check the loop. It will check the condition, and if the file is exist, it will replace, and if the file does not exist, it will show file not found. If the first function will be closed here, if function. And second, third, that means to replace a character, it will read the it will reading the first word, and echo enter a word to replace with. Again we need to enter a word to, that means we need to replace that, and enter file name of the file. We need to enter the file name. In that, it will check the condition. If if file name dollar file name equal to, then it will read the condition. Else, if it is not found, it will show as a file not found, and close the function. Here we look into the output. sh Unix 5b. For this is a command for output. Yeah, 1 for word and 2 for character. 1 for word, we need to replace word with enter name word to replace name, because in the text file replace word with names. File name text.txt. Yeah, the if you want to see that, okay, text here the account names should be the word will be replaced here, and display the file information with header like inode. We need to display all this information, file information like group id, size, month, date, from which the user can accessing. For that, I have created one program 5. Yeah, for entering echo, that means first we need to enter a file name. It will read the file name and it will goes to the condition. If file name, then that means it will display for all the information, else it will show file not found and the function will be closed. uh, yeah, we need to enter the file name, text.txt and file name, and it will show all the information like uh, username, that means whichever the word count of that on it will show that is information, month, date and time, and file name it will show. And this is the program, and we need to display the information, user information like username, terminal, date, time, IP address for the given username, and display number of times and user logged in. We need to display all the user information. And for that Unix, yeah, here see, that means this is a command for checking who has entered and which through IP address we need to find that. First we are getting this outputs, it will display username, that means this is a command, it will show which are the user, who is the user is logged in, and it will display. And terminal, that means it will display, and date of that date and time and IP address of that system. Here is output for that. Yeah, here it is showing that username, that means ul14cs9 my register number, and terminal pts/212, date, that means 14/12 14/3, and time 10/3.239, and IP address it will show as like this. And display the again fifth program, display the information like file name, list the username, then display user ID, group, full name, directory and shell using the given username. Yeah, this is the program for that. It will display, first we need to enter the file name and it will read the file name. It will check for the condition, then if it will enter into the loop, it will enter into the condition. First we are inputting as we need to get inode number and permission, like whichever we want, here we are inputting, and for that we are giving ls command for displaying all that, and it will enter into the file, and it will check for the node and permission like same as this, and which are the links are included in this. We are assigning a different file name for this, and it will if that inode number exists, it will display. If other else, it will show the file does not exist, and it will close the function. And Unix, yeah, here we need to enter the file name of that text.txt. It will display the inode number and permissions and the links, which are the links included. Owner ID, that means it will show the register number, and the size of that file is 57, and month March, and date is 18, the time is 14/19, and file name. Thank you.